Ever think about the ghost in your power lines? Yeah, your electricity has a hidden footprint. So you flip a switch, lights on. Easy. But where do those emissions really come from? I mean, you're not burning any fuel at home, right? You're just using electricity.
But the power plant that sends you that electricity, oh yeah, it definitely is.
It's this kind of disconnected chain of events. You use it, they make it, and emissions happen over there.
See? The emissions are still yours. They just happen somewhere else.
And this whole idea has a name, Scope 2 emissions. It's the footprint of the energy you buy.
And this isn't just about your light switch at home. Oh no, it's way bigger than that. Think about it. Offices, giant data centers, factories, they're all doing the exact same thing. Basically, anytime you use purchased electricity, you're creating these kinds of emissions. So how in the world do we get rid of these ghost emissions? Well, that's exactly why renewable electricity is such a massive game changer. It really is a tale of two sources. One makes Scope 2 emissions, the other, not so much. You see, cleaner power on the grid means lower emissions for everyone who uses it. So the key takeaway, even invisible energy has a footprint. You just gotta know where to look. If you want more simple energy explanations just like this one, go ahead and subscribe.